Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy meal using some raw Maguro tuna. This dish is a spicy tuna donburi. That's spicy tuna on a bowl of rice. You only need a few ingredients and it's really quick to make. In Hawaii, I guess you'd call this spicy tuna poke. So it's up to you, you can call it what you like, but one thing's for sure, this thing is definitely delicious. Now to start off, you need some sashimi grade tuna. Now it's totally up to you how much tuna you want to use. You could go the whole hog, or just use a few slices like me. Depends how hungry you are. For the first step, cut the tuna into bite-sized pieces. Then place it in a bowl so we can add the marinade. Next, add some sriracha. How much? Well, it's up to you. Then add about a tablespoon of kimchi sauce. You can usually find this at Asian supermarkets or you can get it online. After that, drizzle on some sesame oil. Then sprinkle on some Shichimi togarashi. That's Japanese chili pepper. Now add the sesame seeds and green onions. And finally, in goes some baby broccoli sprouts. Okay, we're almost finished. That wasn't hard at all, was it? Now give it a good mix and then we're ready to build our donburi. Okay, let's start building our spicy tuna donburi. You can use sushi rice or plain rice, the choice is yours. Today I'm using plain short grain rice. Now I'm just going to jazz it up with a sprinkling of sesame seeds. Then on top of that, on goes the tuna poke. Now the objective is to build a mountain of tuna, without it falling over of course. Okay, so far so good, that's a nice little lunchtime portion for me. But hang on, we are not finished yet. We need to crown this baby. Finally, to top it off, on goes some shredded seaweed. Now you can buy this type of seaweed already pre-shredded, or you can do it yourself. All you need is a sheet of nori and some scissors. Okay, now we're finished. Now the spicy tuna donburi, it was quick to make, it looks good, and it's really healthy. This type of dish may seem quite complicated at first, but as you can see, it's really simple. As I mentioned before, this is just a wee portion, but it's going to do me just fine. If you're hungry, you can double this or triple it. It's totally up to you guys. Now that is some quality tuna with a spicy kick, and it's just what I'm looking for. Well done, Bento Buster. That really did hit the spot. Okay, snack time's over and that's a wrap. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.